Welcome to my channel Improve English with Hina Memon. A short story The Farmer and the Whale. A farmer needed a water source for his farm, so he bought a well from his neighbor. However, the neighbor was cunning. The next day, as the farmer came to draw water from his well, the neighbor refused to let him take any. On asking why, he replied, I sold you the well, not the water, and walked away. The distraught farmer didn't know what to do, so he went to Birbal, a clever man and one of the 9 courtiers of Emperor Akbar, for a solution. The emperor called the farmer and his neighbor and asked why the man was not letting the farmer draw water from the well. The cunning man said the same thing again. I sold the well to the farmer, but not the water. He has no right to take water from the well. To this people said, Look, since you sold the well, you have no right to keep the water in the farmer's well. Either you pay rent to the farmer or take it out immediately. Realizing that his scheme had failed and taught his lesson, the man apologized and left. Moral: cheating will not get you anything. If you cheat, you will pay for it soon enough. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.